Help! Get. Oh, stop. Help! Help! How did this happen? I don't know how this happened. Hi. Hi, fellow bird. We're kind of stuck now. I can get you out of this. I can. Jeez. Oh god. Listen, this was not intended to happen. I need to get out of here. Can I fly away? Come on. I did it! I'm free! I was so close to being... I just wanted to drive a car. Hey guys, I'm now a part of a vehicle. I swear this was not my fault. Don't worry, I'm not here to inflict harm. Can I get out of this? I want to play a game. This is how I... get rid of... Come on, get out of it. No. I was so close. Can someone shoot me? Please, I need help. This is not. There's a broom. I just wanted to fly away and be a birdie. Who is needing to be shutting up? I'm officially now a part of a car. Am I free? No, I'm not free. Well, I'm gonna get off. Wait, no. Okay, yeah, I'm getting off. My headset's low.